Get into the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Explore your world with confidence in the Cherokee. Its premium features keep you comfortable, while its rugged capability takes you wherever the road or trail leads. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated mirrors, backup camera, remote engine start, satellite radio, fog lamps, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control. Don't miss out on the chance to drive a rugged SUV that's designed with passenger comfort in mind. Drive the Cherokee.